Most people choose landscaping software based on price alone, and that's often a costly mistake. Here's the truth no one tells you. The cheapest option can end up wasting hours every week if it doesn't fit the way your business actually works. In this video, you'll discover the best software for landscapers in 2026, who each platform is best for, and how to choose the right one based on your business size and goals. Let's get straight to the rankings. If you're a solo landscaper or running a small crew, one of the strongest options is Jobber. It's known for being easy to learn and quick to set up. You can create quotes, schedule jobs, send invoices, and collect payments from one dashboard. Imagine Jake running a lawn care business with 3 employees. Instead of juggling spreadsheets and phone calls, Jobber helps him manage everything from his phone. But here's the problem. As your business grows, you may need more advanced reporting and automation. That brings us to Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is popular because it combines scheduling, customer communication, online booking, and payment processing in one system. For many growing landscaping companies, it offers a great balance between simplicity and features. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your landscaping company has larger crews and more complex operations, Service-a-Titan is often considered one of the most powerful platforms available. It offers advanced reporting, dispatching, call tracking, and business analytics. Owners can see exactly where revenue is coming from and identify opportunities for growth. However, Service-a-Titan comes with a higher learning curve and typically higher costs. This is where most people fail. They buy enterprise-level software before they actually need it. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide which software is right for you. Another strong contender is FieldPulse. It's especially attractive for small and mid-sized service businesses that want scheduling, estimates, invoicing, and team management without overwhelming complexity. Many landscapers appreciate its flexibility and straightforward interface. Next is LM Done. Unlike many general field service platforms, LM focuses heavily on landscaping businesses. It includes job costing, budgeting, estimating, and profitability tracking designed specifically for landscaping operations. If accurate job costing is a priority, LM deserves serious consideration. So how do you choose? If you're a solo operator or small team, Jobber is often the easiest starting point. If you want a strong all-around solution for growth, Housecall Pro is a solid choice. For larger companies needing advanced management tools, Service-a-Titan stands out. If you want flexibility and value, FieldPulse is worth a look. And if landscaping-specific financial tracking is critical, LM may be your best option. The key takeaway is simple. The best software isn't necessarily the one with the most features. It's the one that saves you the most time and helps you run a more profitable landscaping business. If this guide helped you narrow down your options, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with the software you're considering for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.